We have this iconic phrase in Bogotá, which is 2,600 meters closer to the stars, and we really wanted that phrase to be the punch for the curatorial concept and narrative. Mercado Libre is Latin America's largest online retailer, and this hanging sculpture is in their Bogotá, Colombia office. Daniel Castillo is a local Colombian artist, great fit for this project because he has a lot of experience in complex and large-scale installations. For this project, we required coordination in three main components: structural, lighting, and then all the installation process was our third component. The most outstanding and impressive thing about this installation is seeing 2,600 glass pieces suspended from the ceiling. We decided to work with the glass as the substrate. We have different also complementary materials for this hanging sculpture, which is brass and other recycled metals. They have the capability of reflecting light. That was a very important feature for the artwork. Also reinforced the concept of those little elements being kind of stars for Bogotá. Art in workspaces is very important just because it makes every office unique. It gives every office an identity. For this project, it really tied the identity of the people who were working for that company. And also it was important to have like this Colombian pride